Hello, my name is Temitope Fajutu, and this assignment is for EDSN 650 class, and this is done by our group. So the members of my group, myself, Anaris, Jocelyn, the group leader, and Nelson. So Jocelyn put the lesson together, and the lesson plan is my contribution to the group. I have introduction. We have the lesson is reading, topic, story elements. First grade we are teaching, and then 12 to 1-to-1. In our 12 to 1-to-1 we have a focused learner with speech impairment. So the book we are reading in this lesson is the Three Billy Goat Fluff, and this is the mini introduction of the lesson. This standard we are using New York State standard for the reading. And right here I have objectives. So this is the objective for the lesson. These are the objectives for the lesson. So we have the kids at the end of the lesson should be able to identify the title, author, illustrator, and should be able to explain in their own words so that we know that understanding has taken place. Our learning has taken place. And right here we have the material. The materials we are using in this lesson are the YouTube video, read aloud, and the reading comprehension quiz worksheet, word web worksheet, and the rest of the materials are listed here. So here next we have vocabulary words. These are the words that we'll be focusing on, which are the story elements throughout the lesson. The kids have to know and understand what each word means. Next we have the vocabulary worksheet. This is word web. This one will be used by the regular kids, and this will be used by for the focused learner. So the regular case, we put the story element in the middle, and all the story element words will revolve around the story element. And then this one is differentiated for the focused learner. So the focused learner worksheet has a picture on it for easy understanding. And right here I have the mini lesson. The mini lesson is introducing the lesson. Getting the kids to preparing the kids for the lesson before the actual lesson to know their prior knowledge about the story elements. And right here I have procedure. The procedure is step by step how the lesson is going to be introduced or presented to the kids. So and right here I have modification. The lesson is modified for the special need kids. So this is basically explaining how the lesson will be modified to fit the needs of the special kid. And then this is the device the special need kid will be using for during the lesson for questions, answers, yes or no, or if the focused learner has any need during the lesson. And then right here I have special need category. This is where the IEP goal is explained and how we're going to assist the special need care to make sure that the kid truly understand the lesson, and then how the lesson is going to be taught to him. And next I have assessment. So the form of assessment we're using is formative assessment. So the kids will be asked questions at the end of the lesson, and they will do we'll be given the worksheet to actually writing the story elements and their meaning in their own words on the paper. And here is the form that we are using, worksheet that we are using. So, and then at the end of the lesson, we give the students assignments. The assignment is for them to read a book at home and identify the story elements that were taught in the classroom. Thank you.